Greetings students, we're going to use Microsoft, or look at how you can use PsychSway to complete your grade replacement project if you choose to use that instead of PowerPoint. So the first thing you want to do is log into your course and go to Student Resources. Click on, let me make sure I'm in the student view as well first. There we go. Once you go to Student Resources, you're going to click on the drop-down menu, and that will take you to the Student Success site. Go ahead and click on that. Just a reminder, this site is where you can go to get answers to all of your questions about Georgia Virtual School. You can see over here, here's a list of hyperlinks that you can click on and find out information about just about anything. We're going to look at right now Office 365. So when I click on that, it's going to bring up the tools that are available through Microsoft Office 365 to you free as a Georgia Virtual student. So the video I want to look at right now is Introduction to O365. So I'm going to click on that and open it. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward a little bit. This video is going to walk you through the process to finding Sway in your Office 365 suite at Georgia Virtual School. Now, in the video, the narrator does discuss Mail, OneDrive, PowerPoint, OneNote, and things of that nature. She never specifically talks about Sway, but you'll access it the same way. And as you can see, it is right here in this menu. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to your Microsoft Sway with Georgia Virtual Learning. And for your project, you want to go ahead and click on New Blank Sway. You can give it a title. Make sure you include your name somewhere. And then you'll start your work. So anytime you want to add material to a Sway, you're going to click the plus sign. And the plus sign is going to bring up a list of options. You can have another heading. I recommend using headings between your 5 topics for the project. You can also bring up a text box where you can type in some of the information. You can insert images, excuse me, and then you can also go to media where you can insert videos, images again, audio, or you can embed things as well. Let's take a look at how to do one of these. We're going to look at images. When you click on image, it's going to bring up this window to the right, excuse me. And so you can upload images from your computer, from your school OneDrive, or you can search them. And your searches are powered by Bing, YouTube, and Wikipedia. So say I am doing my social psychology remediation project, and I want to do an image on Philip. When I type in his name, I'm going to get several different images. So say this is the one that I want to use for my project. It's a good profile picture. I'm just going to simply drag it to where I want it. And at any time you can go up here in the top right hand corner and click play to see what your project looks like so far. So right now I don't have a whole lot here, but using these buttons I can go back and forth. I can go back to edit, and when I'm finished with everything, I want to go to share my Sway. Now, initially it's going to be only those with in your organization with the link can view it, which should allow me to do it. Just to be safe and to make sure you get your points, I would click anyone with the link can view this Sway. Then you're going to come down here and grab your Sway's URL by clicking copy link. Once you've grabbed that link, you'll go back to your course, go to the Dropbox, go to your remediation Dropbox. You're going to paste your Sway here with the information of the assignment or test that you would like replaced with this project. And then because you have to add something to submit it, I'm just going to go ahead and add a random picture. Let's see here. Stamps. Let's go to psychology. psychology, we'll put in, this doesn't apply to our topic, we'll just put in a random picture. And then I'm going to click submit. So when I grow and grade it, I can access this link, which will take me back to your Sway. Now, since I'm the owner, it takes me back to editing mode, but when I access yours, this is what I will be able to see. Now, please note that when I grade these projects, it is in real time. The remediation Dropbox is not linked to the gradebook, so I have to grade it in the remediation Dropbox. Then I have to go over and manually change the grades in the gradebook. So just keep that in mind. If you see it graded but not updated in the gradebook yet, I'm probably in the middle of doing that. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.